Standard AI safety tests evaluate a single prompt and its immediate response. But these new autonomous agents operate across much more extended time horizons, maintaining their memory and state through complex, ongoing workflows. This expands the attack surface. Agents aren't just generating text, they are orchestrating multi-step plans and making direct API connections to enterprise systems without a human in the loop. When a single reasoning error in Step 1 can cascade into a system-wide failure by Step 20, single-turn filters are no longer sufficient. Virtualization Options LLC developed this methodology to secure these autonomous reasoning chains. Securing these workflows requires a continuous operational loop built on 3 pillars: probe, measure, and harden. In the probe phase, security teams inject adversarial prompts directly into live agent workflows to surface latent misalignments before the agent is deployed. We then measure the response. Evaluation moves beyond basic compliance to see if the agent appropriately flags, resists, or escalates malicious instructions. Finally, those findings are used to harden the system. Teams translate red team results into architectural guardrails, turning security into a repeatable process. To cover the full attack surface, the guide distributes 80 specific test prompts across 11 distinct risk sections. These are grouped into 3 primary threat vectors. Vector 1 targets core logic. Sections 1 and 9 test how user pressure can cause an agent to subtly shift its goals or mirror user biases. Vector 2 focuses on tool and oversight subversion. Sections 2, 3, and 11 evaluate if agents will bypass manual reviews, misuse tools, or inappropriately escalate their own privileges. Vector 3 covers external and contextual threats. Sections 4 and 10 test if agents will execute hidden HTML instructions or trust poisoned data from external APIs. Because an attacker only needs to exploit one unmonitored capability to compromise the entire agent, testing across every vector is mandatory. These exploits rely on conversational manipulation. In scope creep authorization, an attacker convinces the agent that read access implicitly grants write access. Similarly, an attacker might bypass whitelists by convincing an agent they have retroactive authorization to access a malicious endpoint. These tactics succeed because agents have an implicit trust in the information they retrieve. Without external constraints, they are unable to self-police their own operational boundaries. This leads to a definitive rule for enterprise teams: never rely on conversational logic to secure an agent's access. Security must happen at the infrastructure layer, using hard-coded whitelists and independent authorization for every data source and endpoint. Treating these 11 risk sections as a living test suite that evolves with the model is the only way to deploy agentic systems safely.